Good day everyone, this is Jansei Borras from BSN1C, and what I'll be doing for today is I'm going to discuss the different protective gears used in Taekwondo. And if you'll notice later that these protective gears are designed in order to protect a specific part of the body, and we have the following. We have the headgear, body armor, arm guard, shin guard, the groin guard, the mouthpiece or mouth guard, we have the hand gloves, and lastly the foot gloves. Now, without further ado, let's start discussing this one by one. First is we have the headgear. Obviously, sinusot ito sa head, and this is to avoid having head injuries as players are allowed to kick the opponent in the head, of course, by kicking. Next is the body armor. It is used to protect the body, specifically, or what do we call the torso or trunks. This also serves as the indicator na whenever there is a sound na na-produce, it means na natamaan itong body armor na ito. And therefore, nagkakaroon ng points yung nakahit. Next is we have the arm guard. And this arm guard is used both left and the right arms, especially dun sa bandang forearms. Dahil ito ay ginagamit din to defend yourself from the heat. Therefore, we need to use it to reduce the impact of the heat of the opponent. Next, we have the shin guard. And when we say shin guard, this is to protect the legs. And like in football, this is to avoid having fractures like those. Next is we have the groin guard. And this is to protect the groin where your genital areas are dahil hindi maiiwasan na magkaroon ng accident na matamaan ang iyong groin part. Piece or mouth guard, pwede rin siyang tawaging gum shield, and usually nakikita natin ito sa boxing na sinusuot sa mouth ng mga manlalaro. And this is to avoid or protect your teeth from falling out and also the gums of the player. Next is we have the hand gloves, and the hand gloves is used in the hands, and it's almost the same with the boxing gloves. However, yung boxing gloves ay much thicker than the hand gloves used in Taekwondo. And also, as you will notice in the hand gloves, the distant parts of the fingers are shown. And also, dito sa Taekwondo kasi, we use hand gloves dahil hindi lamang kicks, of course, there are also punches na ginagamit. And lastly, we have the foot gloves. And almost the same like the hand gloves, the distant parts of the toes of the foot is shown. And of course, this is where by the player dahil nga to protect the foot from having injury dahil dito sa Taekwondo, mostly na ginagamit ng mga players to hit the opponent is by kicking. Now, these are all the protective gears used in Taekwondo to prevent having injuries. And also remember na kung sasali ka sa kyorugi or sparring, you must wear these equipments, these protective gears, as I said, to avoid from having injuries sa iyong body.